Hello, hello, my little stars. Welcome back to Tiny Talk Time, the podcast where learning English is fun, simple, and full of smiles. Today's episode is very special because we are going to learn 30 simple English phrases for beginners, and they are absolutely perfect for kids. And of course, I'm not alone. I'm here with my favorite student and best learning buddy. Hello, Leo.
Hi, Miss Lily. Hi, everyone. I'm excited. 30 phrases sounds like a lot, but I think we can do it.
We absolutely can, Leo. And dear listeners, don't worry. We'll go slowly, we'll repeat together, and we'll have fun. Learning English is like playing a game. Ready, Leo?
Ready. Let's start.
Wonderful. Let's begin with our first group of phrases. These are greeting phrases, words we use every day. Phrase number 1, hello.
Hello.
Phrase number 2, hi.
Hi.
Phrase number 3, good morning.
Good morning.
Phrase number 4, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Phrase number 5, good evening.
Good evening.
Excellent, Leo. Kids at home, repeat with us. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Great job. Now let's move to polite phrases, very important words. Phrase number 6, please.
Please.
Phrase number 7, thank you.
Thank you.
Phrase number 8, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Phrase number 9, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Phrase number 10, sorry.
Sorry.
Perfect. Being polite is very important. Now let's practice. Leo, if I give you a toy, what do you say?
Thank you.
And if someone gives you space to pass?
Excuse me.
Wonderful. Now let's continue with simple conversation phrases. Phrase number 11, how are you?
How are you?
Phrase number 12, I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Phrase number 13, I'm happy.
I'm happy.
Phrase number 14, I'm sad.
I'm sad.
Phrase number 15, I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Excellent. These phrases help you talk about your feelings. Leo, how are you today?
I'm happy.
That makes me happy too. Now let's move on to daily life phrases. Phrase number 16, I like it.
I like it.
Phrase number 17, I don't like it.
I don't like it.
Phrase number 18, I want this.
I want this.
Phrase number 19, I need help.
I need help.
Phrase number 20, I understand.
I understand.
Great job. Leo, if you know what I'm saying, what do you say?
I understand.
And if you need help with English?
I need help.
Perfect. Now we're halfway through our 30 phrases, and you're doing amazing. Let's continue with school and play phrases. Phrase number 21, let's play.
Let's play.
Phrase number 22, come here.
Come here.
Phrase number 23, look at this.
Look at this.
Phrase number 24, I don't know.
I don't know.
Phrase number 25, I know.
I know.
Wonderful contrast. I know and I don't know are very useful. Leo, do you know how to say hello in English?
I know. Hello.
Perfect. Now let's finish with our last group, goodbye and simple action phrases. Phrase number 26, wait a moment.
Wait a moment.
Phrase number 27, let's go.
Let's go.
Phrase number 28, see you later.
See you later.
Phrase number 29, goodbye.
Goodbye.
And our final phrase, number 30, have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Bravo, Leo! You learned all 30 simple English phrases. And dear listeners, you did too. Now let's practice them in a mini conversation. Leo, are you ready?
Yes, Miss Lily.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm happy.
Let's play.
Let's go.
Look at this.
I like it.
Do you understand?
I understand.
Great job. See you later.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Wonderful. Kids, you can practice this conversation at home with your family, your friends, or even your toys. Speak out loud. Repeat again and again. That's how English becomes easy. Leo, how do you feel now?
I feel proud. I learned so many phrases.
And you should feel proud. Learning English step by step is the best way. Dear listeners, now it's your turn. Which phrase is your favorite? Hello? Let's play? I'm happy? Tell us in the comments below.
Yes, write your favorite phrase.
And if you enjoyed this episode and want to keep learning English with us,
Don't forget to like this video
subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lessons.
and comment to tell us you're learning with Tiny Talk Time.
Thank you for listening, my little stars. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you later.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.